Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Hey guys, good evening. This is Pradip and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Pradip and I am an AI trainer in institute. So I just share my daily life, what things I do in a day. Right now I don't have much time, so I will able to record all the things because I have a big issue of the procrastination. So therefore I'm not able to record all the things, but still so it is like I just try to record my gym videos, and then I just try to record this last the portion of my day where I finish my all batches and just prepare for the next day sessions and next day notes. So today I finished my in the morning I completed my back workout. I tried to get heavy for the weights for today after a long time, as I said into last video, that I am pushing my limits to lift good weights to get my good back. So right now my back is not big, but I just try to put on some muscle in on that. So for that I need to work on my diet with good amount of protein, and let's see how I will able to manage along with my this role where I am a trainer. And it is like you need to keep updated with a new technology and even with the notes you need to prepare for the class. So today I explained the natural language processing. It was day one. So it is basically, if we talk about the NLP, it is basically, we can say it is a natural language processing. So if you see, like, let me share my screen. Uh, so it is like we need to go for the text pre-processing. So what is that? If we just go for the NLP, so it is stand for natural language processing. And here we have some steps to it, so need to follow. So it is basically like, here you are working on the text data, and you are going to predict something like, suppose is the email is spam, right? You are passing one sentence, and from that your model is saying is that sentence is not spam or the sentence is spam. So one thing need to understand, when we are thinking that if I give an input of a text, how machine will able to know what I have informed her, like what I have given to her, like, so that we'll able to understand when we convert the text into numbers. Sorry, it is numbers, right? So our main aim is that we need to convert our text into the numbers form. So for that, the NLP text pre-processing works. If we just go for text pre-processing works, right? So for the text pre-processing, we have some steps that needs to follow one by one. Let's see what are those steps. Let's go down, and the first step is that it is the tokenization. We can say tokenization. Sorry for my spelling mistake. So it is basically, you are just converting the sentences into the different words. So how it is, let's see. Suppose we have word as you won Audi. What it means? It is saying it is differently. If we just make it split, it is like you are making into the three words. It is like you won Audi, right? Suppose you have one more line, which is like you have meeting today. So how it will look like when we go for the tokenization? It's simply like you have, and we can say meeting, and it is for the today, right? So this is the thing first we do when we go for the text pre-processing. So it is basically we are making noise free and the one level. Let's see how we can make into one level, and how we can make our data much clean and easy to understand, like, so for our machine. Let's see, first we go for the tokenization, and then we go for a different step. This is, we can say, applying the lowercasing. So what is lowercasing? We know like how we do lowercase. It is like, suppose you have like a b c, it will look like a b c. So in this case, you have this, we have these two lines, u won Audi. So here the u was into the capital, so it will simply going for the lowercase form. Like how it will look like now, it will look u, we are just type into the, like, looks like a small case, lowercase, u won Audi. So again, suppose you have meeting existed today, right? Yes, here it was into the capital, it goes into the small, right? Again, suppose we have some special characters in it. So for that, the next step we're doing, the third part is simple. It is for the removing the special characters, right? So it is like, suppose if you have like a character, like suppose it was at the rate, or suppose you have word as hello, hello, and it was like three exclamation mark. So what happened? It will pick only hello, HELLO, and it will remove this whole special character. Like we can say, like jo, like whatever characters we have, it can be numerical characters, or just suppose we have at the rate, exclamation mark, we have hat, we have comma, we have dot. It all will get removed when we go for this process, which is the removing of special characters. After that, we apply something named as a stop words. Stop words. So what stop words do? It is basically, suppose we are saying, it is the like it is a line as your name is Stark. So we have a stop word, we can say data, when we're going to work on any project. So that time we just need to apply the stop word. So what is stop words? It is basically removing the minimal semantic meaning words which are giving. So like very minimal, like we can say a weightage, and we can say that like the words and the characters. Like here we have name, sorry, is and your. So sometimes, so we can say, so we can just, so it is just removing is. So if you read into the other way, it is like your name, sorry, it is your name Stark. So one thing you can see, if you read as your name is Stark or your name Stark, we able to know that person name is Stark. So here that is not providing much meaningful way. Like if you just go out, like out from the grammar and all, you can see your name is Stark and your name Stark. We know that person name is Stark, therefore it is simply get removed. The is the same thing, we have multiple stop words. I just tried to just display on the screen. And next, after removing the stop words, how what we'll able to see, suppose we have a sentence. It was suppose as a, suppose we have a sentence as stranger things is a good series. So once we apply, we can say the tokenization, then lowercasing, then like removing of the special characters, and after the stop words, how it will look like? It will look like this one: stranger things good series, like that. So we have removed is, a, and this special character what we have. So this is the procedure which we follow. After that, we have the final thing, which is we can see for the fifth, it is stemming and lemmatization. So it is basically, suppose you have word as stemming, suppose it is running, it is basically giving you a half cutting word. So it is like a rule base, so it is just cutting words, and it will provide you a like name as a run. Suppose you have, like if you have a name, suppose as we can say of like faster, it will give you the fast, right? Suppose if like if there is word as suppose as meeting, it will provide might be MEETI. You can see it is just making the half word, but here you are getting some meaning. Okay, here it's meaning available present, but here the meaning is not available. So when we are going to work on like any like where we are going to work on the search optimization project, on that we can use for the seven like stemming, where we are just cutting the words. But if we are working on some, we can say for the chatbots, where the words importance is like much important, so on that time we can go for the lemmatization. So we have other thing which is lemmatization. So it will provide the base word for the any of the word. Right, like it is like suppose it was better, it might go give the good. It will go for the like base word for that. Suppose the name is Stark, STARK. So for the Stark, it is like there is no base word, it will keep as it is a Stark, right? Suppose if you're saying the fine, suppose there is not a like word for the fine into dictionary, it will say it as a fine. So lemmatization have a lookup on the dictionary, dictionary, dictionary. So when we apply the lemmatization on our whole data, it simply go into dictionary and check what the word that can replace for that given text. It is not like the stemming, which is just cutting down the words on the rule base. Because if you go this way, you can see here we are not finding the meaning for the word. But if we apply the lemmatization, it is basically applying a dictionary lookup and it is finding the base word for that given word. If there is no available of the base word, so it will just keep as it is for the same, right? So once we apply the stemming, it will look like a data. Suppose like before we have the 5,000 documents, like sorry, we can say 5,000 tokens, but after applying the stemming lemmatization and the stop words, our data will be get string and we might get 3,500 tokens in the end. So those tokens are much meaningful, and we can say noise free, right? And once we get our tokens ready and which are clean, we go and apply the vectorization. It meaning you are basically converting the text, we can say, into the numbers, right? Suppose you have here there, so it might look a different way into numeric form like 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, like when we create a vector. So now this input is ready to go inside your model, where it go for train, and then we can check for the test, and we can just check how the data like text data is working on our model. So this was the process where we need to apply when we're going to work on the text data. In order to work on the text, we can say like we can say machine translation, we can say English to Hindi or German to French if we are working on the spam classification, right? So this on that time, whenever we are going to work on the text data, we need to clean it to proceed further for the model training. So this was my topic, which I explained in more deeper way. And tomorrow I have a different topic, like I will go for the vectorization. So like if you get some points, please comment me down and just give me some comments, like if you understanding some points which I'm explaining, or like what you think, what like where I should improvise and what type of vlogs I should post on the YouTube channel. So I'm waiting for your feedback and I'm waiting for your comment. Please comment down, so it will help to like change my way to make videos and all. And the things which I'm going to teach in my classes, it is like already available on the YouTube and all. So I just try to post content on the YouTube to just try to get sync with the new trending topics. So whenever like in the market, if there like launch of new product or the new tool, so I should able to introduce to you with the best way possible, so that you can easily understand of that new domain, and suppose a new tool, new stack, new tech stack, we can say, and that I want to make with the best way possible. So therefore I just try to come in front of camera and just try to talk whatever I know about the basic stuff which is already on the YouTube, but still I just try to improvise my skills and try to share some knowledge to you. And that's it. So tomorrow I will just again like follow the same steps, sorry, the same thing. Morning, wake up, go to gym, come back and learn something, study something, make notes for the like for the batches, and then after the batches, just quick recording, then have a meal, and then just sleep. Sorry, editing, post, and just sleep. So I just want to follow this cycle for a long time. Let's see how far I will go. And this is for today, and I will get back tomorrow. And thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.